Birds of prey are very smart and agile predators. Their strength, speed, and hunting techniques are superior in the animal kingdom. Keep your eyes on the screen and watch these dramatic moments, caught on camera. Gray-headed warblers are very strong and intelligent birds. Willing to eat anything they can pluck? The bird encounters a snake and constantly attacks its head. Defeating its opponent and securing a nice healthy meal. Despite the snake's attempts to flee, the bird pursued its dreams. Poking until the snake is rendered helpless. The internal structure of an owl's eyes resemble mirrors, helping them have vision 100 times better than humans. Owls are excellent flyers and can have wingspans of up to 1.7 meters. The owl only strikes when the time is right. Owls are the perfect fish hunters. As dusk falls, the owl looks down into the void, with eyes adjusted to see well during the night. The owl hunts successfully. Hawks are massive birds with sharp talons and an extremely agile body. They love hunting small birds and rodents. Hawks use their excellent vision to launch life-threatening attacks on its prey. Most of the time, their prey have no chance for survival. Hawk versus snake. This red-tailed hawk is in pursuit of a snake it spotted while hovering over the land. The snake refused to surrender, but could not withstand the wrath of the hawk. Finally, the hawk subdues the snake and enjoys a delicious breakfast. This bird uses a unique strategy to tear its prey apart by locking the snake in place with its powerful talons, then pecking at its vulnerable head. Hawk versus mouse. Finding tiny rats are difficult, but is rewarding. Pelicans are a bird of prey belonging to the Pelecanidae family. They boast a slender shape with a very pointy beak. Pelicans have the perfect eyesight to see at near and far distances. They will barbarically eat their prey whole, even if the victim is still alive. The pelican launches a deadly attack on nearby pigeons. Pelicans are also very intelligent creatures. They wait by water and attack the fish that jump out. And it doesn't matter the size. because there is enough room to fit everyone in its elastic beak. Seagulls. The seagull swoops down after spotting a nice-sized fish. The seagull is ruthless and even will devour babies. The seagull has gotten its mouth on a kitten it found in the street and attempts to swallow it whole. This is a horrifying scene, don't you think? We must protect wildlife by not using excessive water amounts, recycling when the opportunity arises, and reducing air pollution by taking the bus or train. Our team would like to thank you for watching. We work hard 12 hours a day to bring you amazing videos. Take care, and we will catch you later.